Great honor on behalf of Pakistan Banks Association to welcome you to this exclusive session. We are deeply grateful to His Highness for leading this distinguished delegation and for reaffirming the depth and the importance of the historic and brotherly ties between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The Pakistan Banks Association over the last few years has worked closely with the Government of Pakistan and the State Bank of Pakistan and the international partners to modernize our financial landscape, strengthening digital finance, expanding SME and agriculture lending, introducing risk-sharing structures and supporting green and infrastructure financing. These efforts have created a more resilient and investor-friendly banking environment ready to support strategic partnership with Saudi investors. His Highness, the banking industry in Pakistan remains one of the most favorite sectors for foreign investment, particularly from GCC. And you, His Highness, have already shown keen interest in investing in most transparent and progressive industry of Pakistan, particularly digital banking, which has come at the most opportune time as there has been 2.41 billion retail digital transactions valued at around $600 billion in the most recent quarter, contextualizing the testament to the industry's strong commitment to advancing Pakistan's cashless and documented economy. His Highness, your keen interest. His Highness, Pakistan banking remains the largest paying sector, contributing to over $3 billion in direct taxes and overall around $6 billion in levies of different forms and shapes, and the one which is funding almost the entire fiscal deficit of the country. This makes this sector even more stronger center of gravity for our economy. This session, organized in collaboration with SIFC, provides a platform to translate our shared goodwill into concrete outcomes, that is investment, trade and technology flows that will benefit our people from generations to come. On behalf of Pakistan Banks Association and Pakistan's financial sector, I am very pleased to receive you all to this exclusive session to showcasing business opportunities in Pakistan, specifically IT services, tourism and hospitality, social infrastructure, and other sectors like telecommunication and construction. Looking forward to a fruitful deliberations that will pave the way for the new era of Saudi-Pakistan economic cooperation in the space of B2B and G2P, inshallah. The thriving and the most progressive Pakistani banking industry will be very pleased to act as a conduit, His Highness, to channelize this most precious and strategic investment from our brotherly country, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thank you for accepting our invitation and giving us the opportunity to organize this investor conference in Lahore at the culmination of your monumental visit to Pakistan. We remain most grateful to your time and interest and your delegation's time and interest, Your Highness. Thank you very much.